Welcome to this new episode of the E-Academy dedicated to the Perfecta control panels. Today we will talk about programming functions in the Perfecta panels with the PRF LCD keypads. We will show you a few examples of how to use the new simplified keypad service menu that we mentioned in the previous episode. Today we will use a ready-made set consisting of the Perfecta 32 WRL control panel with a transformer and battery and the PRF LCD keypads. Just like in all our control panels, we begin programming the keypad by launching the service mode. To do this, we have to enter the service password and press asterisk. We use the arrows to scroll the menu until we get to the position service mode. We confirm by pressing hash. The blue service LED lights up on the control panel to inform us that the programming mode has been started. To choose the service mode option more quickly, you can press the up arrow button once after entering the service password. Just like in our other control panels, the service mode can also be started by the reset pegs located on the control panel board. To do this, switch off the transformer and then disconnect the battery, and place the jumper on the reset pegs. Our next step is to connect the battery and switch on the transformer. We wait a few seconds until the lights next to the reset pegs stop blinking. Now we can take off the jumper. The control panel will start in service mode. Also, in this case, starting of the service mode is signaled by a blue service light. Now we can start the panel configuration. You can explore the service menu in two ways. For example, let's look at the identification of devices connected to the panel board. I will show you how to scroll the menu with the arrow keys. And I will show you how to choose the particular service functions by entering their numbers. For identification, this number is 21. As you can see, both ways result in the same outcome. You can find all the numbers of the service functions in a list on our internet website. With this list, you can quickly find the number which you have to use to change the particular parameters or choose a particular function. At first, it may seem a little complicated, but in practice it's easy. Let's see an example. To program the first number for notification, choose function 811, then approve it by pressing hash. Now we can enter the phone number to which notifications are to be sent. It has to have the form of an international number, so we start with a plus sign, for which we have to press the 0 key twice. Now we press the subsequent phone number digits and confirm by pressing hash. Now we have just entered the first number for notifications. Another example is setting the USSD key, which will allow us to control the fund status on the SIM card account number 1. We press the function 681 on the keyboard and confirm by pressing hash. Now we can enter the USSD code responsible for controlling funds in the account. This is important. You should choose a number relevant to the provider of the given SIM card. In our case, the code is *101#. To press the asterisk, we have to press the 0 key 3 times. We confirm the entered data by pressing hash. As well as checking the current account status, the Perfecta control panel allows us to define the minimum value of account funds. If the limit is crossed, we will be informed by the control panel. In our example, we will set the minimum value of account funds for card number 1 to 10. This function is started by the code 685, which we confirm by pressing hash. Then we enter the defined amount and confirm it. Ready? To turn on maintenance for SIM card number 1, use the function 611. The option SIM1 is displayed. By pressing any digit key, we turn on maintenance for SIM card number 1, which is confirmed by the letter in the upper right corner. Pressing any subsequent digit key may result in turning off maintenance for SIM card number 1. The next function that we see on the screen is 612. It is used for entering the PIN code of the first SIM card. The presented examples were connected mainly with the configuration of the inbuilt GSM module, but we can program other functions in the same way. Now we will show you two examples for configuring zones and demonstrate how to program the parameters of the particular outputs. The Perfecta control panel allows you to choose from 7 types of zones. These are NO, NC, EOL, 2EOL/NC, 2EOL/NO, roller, and vibration. To program the circuit type for zone number 1, enter the service function 311, confirm by pressing hash. The screen will show you the list of possible zones. To find the one which is of interest to us, we can review the list by using arrows or choosing the key with the relevant number. For example, number 6 is for the roller type of zone. To confirm your choice of the roller, press hash. Ready. Each of the zones may also be assigned with the type of reaction. In the Perfecta control panels, there are as many as 20 different reaction types to choose from. To program a particular type of reaction for zone number 2, enter the service function code 332. As in the previous example, you can scroll through the available options with the arrows. We can also choose a particular position with the digit keys. We will program for zone number 2 as a shunt lock, number 17. Confirm by pressing hash. We can configure the Perfecta control panels in the same way. There are 23 functions that we can assign to each of the outputs. For example, we can assign output number 10 with the medical alarm function. To do that, we will use the service function 4110. Confirm by pressing hash. We scroll through the options list until we reach position number 7. We confirm our choice by pressing hash. Ready. So let's move on. Every output may also have a defined operation time. As an example, we will program this parameter for output number 5. This option is set with the service function 425. We enter the number 425 and confirm it with hash. We can set the time to anything between 0 and 99 minutes 59 seconds. 0 is responsible for operations of the output until it is deleted, the so-called latch. We enter the time value with the digit keys. Let's set the time to 5 minutes 30 seconds. We confirm our setting by pressing hash. The time has just been programmed. As you can see, programming the Perfecta control panel from the keypad level using service functions is very easy and quick. We would like to remind you that a full function list in PDF is available on product sites of the panels next to the manuals. The only functions that cannot be programmed from the keypad are voice notifications. They can be recorded exclusively with the Perfecta Soft software. We will talk about this and about the other advantages of programming the Perfecta panels via computer next time. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. We would like to invite you to watch the upcoming episodes of the E-Academy. See you!